cucumber salad Lao style. So before you go to eat, so this is the Slim Roast Optimum Coffee. It's a weight loss coffee, the best seller of the year. And if you like to eat more carb or you like to eat rice, something like me, I grow up with rice, I have to eat rice every day. This is 24 carb burner. This is for daytime and I have another nighttime. I leave it over there. So anyway, we're gonna make tamak tang today. And in Lao, cucumber salad like this, make like Korean salad, but it's called tamak tang. Tam, it's mean you pound it in this one. And mak tang is mean cucumber. Okay, มาเห็ดกันเลยเนาะ This is garlic. 1 clove of garlic. And then pepper. There's only one. Maybe I put 2 because I'm gonna make 2 cucumbers. Alright. So then I'm gonna put tablespoon of sugar, teaspoon of MSG. Now I'm gonna pound it. Pound all these fine like that. And I'm gonna put tomato, sliced tomato. Some people they just cut like 4, but I like to like slice like this, very thin, it's very well. And because I like tomatoes, so I'm gonna put a little bit more. And then lime is depend on if you like sour, you can put a lot more. Me, I'm just like normal taste, regular. So I'm gonna squeeze lime like that. And instead of throw this away, I will put this lime in here. So you get the zest out from here. So then you get the flavor out from this. This is my cucumber. This is how you chop cucumber. I got a step stool, so because I'm short. And what I do the same way like papaya. I'm just chopped it like this. เฮากะสิมาซอยหมักแตงกะสิมาฝักหมักแตงแล้วก็ซอยเนาะคันว่าแล้วว่าฝักหมักแตงบ้านเฮาฝักก็แปลว่าช็อปนี่เนาะซอยหมักแตงจังซี่มันเป็นภาษาอังกฤษบัดคำบ่สุภาพว่าซั่นเด้ซอยบาดนี้ And then after you chop it, you just slice like that. The cucumber will be easier than papaya. But the technique how to do this instead of like the slicer thing. So when you chop it and then you hold the knife like you hold the knife like that and then use like your point finger to kind of hold this so it will not go like too deep like that. So it will be perfect slice because you control with your point finger not to make your knife go deeper and then it's gonna be like the thick cut. So it will be like let's see, if I want it to be thick, I can do it because my point finger control how I slice my cucumber. It's the same way like papaya, but papaya it will be more harder to slice it. I will slice it like separate. I will not slice in a coke like this. Coke in Lao is mean this one. I don't know in English. The thing to pound it's sap. It's made out from wood. They all import from Thailand. แต่หมักแตงเนาะซอยผู้ใดก็คือสีซอยเป็นอยู่ดอกหมักแตงบ้านเฮาถ้าบ่ยากแต่ว่าให้คนที่ว่าเขาเจ้าบ่เคยเฮ็ดลองเฮ็ดเบิ่งเฮาจับแบบนี้เอานิ้วซี่เฮามาคอนโทรลมันจังซี่ม้วนมันไว้แบบว่าแบบจับมันไว้มันก็สิบ่ซอยตอนหนาตอนหยังมันก็สิเป็นเส้นพอดีงามเลยเอ้าสิไปซอยต่อให้มันแล้วเนาะเลยจัง slice cucumber หลังจากที่ซอยหมักแตงแล้วเนาะค่อยจะสิเอาน้ำปลาใส่เลย When I make it for my coworker, I use this kind, the fish sauce you buy from the market. So it's not like super stinky, it's just like regular fish sauce. And because I'm making for my own, so I like my butter. This is the padek is another kind of fish sauce. It's like a traditional way to make fish sauce by like I fermented like the raw fish. After you clean up everything, you ferment it for like over a year. Mine is over 3 years. So I'm gonna put my padek in mine because you know I make it for myself. This is my traditional fish sauce. So the fish sauce is give you the salty taste, and then you just keep pounding like that, like you mix it up. So try to make it as even. เอามาตำให้มันแหลกมันแหลกเนาะตำคนให้มันทั่วนะแต่ว่าโคกอันนี้มันเป็นโคกเนี่ยโคกโลนะมันเป็นแบบโคกโลโคกเล็กตำง่ายอยู่แบบนี้ and then after you make it all even it's good. Now it's time to test it. I'm just gonna taste it like that. Perfect. Like I said, if you don't eat the traditional padek, you can put this on. That's it. Oh my, that's good. Alright, you guys, that's all done. How to make cucumber salad or in Lao we call ตำหมักแตง เสร็จสิ้นไปแล้วกับการตำหมักแตงของเขาเนาะ You see how they're a lot of juicy because of the cucumber. They has a lot of juice. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please share, or subscribe, and yeah, don't forget about this. Text me, comments, message, whatever you want. Magic Coffee with Noi on Facebook. You can try this. Thank you for watching, guys. ขอบใจหลายๆสำหรับการติดตามกดไลค์กดแชร์กด subscribe เป็นกำลังใจให้คนไก่บ้านเนาะเสร็จสิ้นกันแล้วกับการตำหมักแตงขอขอบใจหลายๆแล้วพบกันใหม่คลิปหน้าหวังว่าทุกคนสิได้ความบันเทิงจากการตำหมักแตงทางนี้เนาะขอบใจเด้อ